when we were talking a little bit in the past, just a few minutes ago, about the Wi-Fi extenders, this is where we've been trying to move our clients away from extenders into using mesh. And mesh is a much newer, more powerful technology. And if you think about it in terms of the word mesh, what it is, it's rather than having your one centralized Wi-Fi router, there are routers placed throughout the office or home, potentially on different floors, that create a network that each and every node, which is a word we use when we're talking about mesh devices, communicates back and forth with the other Wi-Fi routers. And what it does is it builds basically like a bubble or a mesh of Wi-Fi signal throughout the house or office. So this technology has some massive benefits, because rather than bumping the signal from the original Wi-Fi router and potentially losing that connection, well, instead now each of these nodes is more or less an independent operating Wi-Fi router that can communicate back and forth and choose the correct channel, the most beneficial channel for that Wi-Fi network. So there's some huge advantages to using mesh Wi-Fi. As it says here, each node can communicate back and forth. If it notices one node go down, maybe it got unplugged accidentally, or something happened with the power on that side of the office or house, it will actually analyze the network, take over, and potentially broadcast a stronger signal or choose a different channel to help fill in the gaps where that missing node that had gone down, it helps fill in those gaps. So we try to really consult with people to use a mesh Wi-Fi if they need to have a lot of area covered, and that's been a huge win for us in tech. There is, better encryption, better security with the newer technologies, and so we can certainly help consult on that. We want to make sure to utilize strong passwords and utilize the most current encryption for your network. And this section here kind of reiterates this point between range extenders and mesh Wi-Fi. Again, we want to try to move away from bouncing the signal and amplifying it to nodes that operate independently and have the ability to self-heal, the ability to analyze the network to choose the best channels to operate on. So mesh Wi-Fi by far is the most current, most modern setup. And you can, of course, consult with us. We're happy to come out and analyze your setup at your home or office. Take a look into what your current technology is. If your carrier, which would be your internet provider, is providing you with the fastest speeds, and then of course we're going to then be using those speeds to push out over your wireless network and get your end devices the fastest internet speed possible. So we'd love to help. You can again give us a call or an email, text Tech Hero. We have offices here in Seattle, Nashville, and we can help remotely. And we'd love to spend some time with you. And thanks for watching this video.